Well, Eric, so far today, 10 vehicles have already been given out. And take a look at this wall. You will see that so far this year, God's Garage has given away 76 cars and repaired 37. What I really love about this place is that it is all run by volunteers who are putting in their time to serve their community and those in need. When you have a working vehicle, you barely notice it. But when you don't, you realize you can barely live without it.
And I've had kids tell me, do you know that this means mom can take me to the doctor? She can take me to school. And no child should know what it's like not to be able to get to the doctor.
The journey that she's on.
After decades as a local pastor, Chris Williams moved to a new kind of ministry. He opened God's Garage 18 years ago and has repaired and donated more than 300 cars with the help of volunteers.
You can't unfeel that, because when you give a vehicle, it's more than just a vehicle. They've been begging for rides. They've been borrowing rides.
Hi, how y'all doing?
There are hundreds of women waiting in line for new vehicles. Mary Manuel is one of them.
And they are 7, 9, 10, 12, and 16.
And my mother.
And your mom.
This single mom cares for 5 children and a bedridden mother. She was told today was just an interview.
Of course, you are getting a vehicle today.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, God. Thank you, Jesus.
And there it is.
For this family, a new car means freedom. And doesn't Mary look good in her new Chevy Equinox?
What are you going to go home and tell your kids?
We have a car. We can go somewhere. They gonna be so happy. I am thrilled, and I know they will be too.
We can tell you that since our story aired at 3 o'clock, God's Garage has already gotten calls from our viewers who are interested in donating their vehicles and their time. So we love to see that, a community truly coming together. We are, of course, going to be here in Conroe all week long. It's going to be hard to beat this place, but we're going to try, because we're going to be exploring all kinds of places for the rest of the week. You can go to our website. It's abc13.com/HTX for all of the details that you need to know.